Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an exploding popsicle stick chain. First, gather your materials. You'll need at least 100 craft sticks, ensuring they are all uniform in size and free from any splinters. A flat, clear workspace is also essential for smooth assembly. Having everything ready before you start will make the weaving process much easier and more enjoyable. Now, let's dive into the weaving technique. Start by interlocking two sticks to create a V-shape. This forms the base of your chain. Next, carefully add a third stick, weaving it underneath the first stick and then over the second. It's crucial to maintain constant, gentle pressure throughout this process to keep the tension just right and prevent the sticks from springing apart prematurely. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. And on another note, why not upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum? It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making home cleaning a breeze. Check the description for the link and other amazing deals. Now, let's get back to the video. As you continue, keep adding sticks one by one, always following the same weaving pattern. Each new stick should lock securely into the previous ones, building upon the tension. Consistency is key here. A uniform weave ensures a stable and impressive chain that will explode beautifully. Don't rush, take your time, and enjoy watching your creation grow longer and longer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.